Welcome to the XMedius Training Portal. In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to create an account and log into our portal and register for a class. The main URL for this site is https://training.xmedius.com. Let me move this up so we can see more of what's going on here. So to create an account, you simply log in. To register an account, you just simply press register here under to create an account. Notice that there are several fields here with asterisks near them. Those are the fields that are mandatory fields that must be filled out. Put in an email address, and this email address, we're going to see later why, but it must be an email address or a domain of a partner or customer of XMedius. It cannot be a Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or any other kind of a personal email account. If that's the case, the account will be deleted. Put in a username, password, put in your time zone, and then a company, followed by your address and phone number. Put in a job title. And if you have an XM Connect or CX system, you should put the serial number in here. This is used primarily to verify an enterprise or premium XpressCare account. If you don't have that account, you may not get access to the premium or enterprise catalog. Beyond that is a user agreement, and you should really pay some attention. First off, there is a section here that has to do with the generic logon that I mentioned before. You have to have a domain from a partner or a customer site. Reason being, up above here, this account is intended for use by our partners and our customers, and it's also not meant to be shared. So it has to be an actual person's email, a person that registers. So no IT user at mycompany.com or something like that. And also no accounts, Gmail, Hotmail, or anything like that. Once you're ready, you simply click I agree and create your account. Registration is complete. Press continue. You'll be logged in, and then you will have another view at our user agreement. Once logged in, you will be presented with your My Account page. This gives you the opportunity to change your profile if you would like, reread the user agreement. You can see a transcript or view a calendar. You'll also see any courses that you will be enrolled, and then any events that are coming up. And this is primarily for live training. Up in the top, in addition to My Account, you'll also see the course catalog. So here we have our classes in 3 different categories: data solutions, voice solutions, and sales training. If you are an enterprise customer, the system within a day or so should recognize that you're an enterprise customer, and you will have an enterprise catalog as well. Those are the courses that are set aside for our premium or enterprise customers. As you open it up, you'll also see that if there is a live web session that you can register for, you'll see that over here in the upcoming events. There's 3 different ways to register for a class. First, of course, let me get to a course here. The first, of course, is to simply click on the course. You'll see the cost, and then basically a synopsis of the class. Now, the course itself, if you press enroll here, you'll be led to pay for the course with a credit card. If you're going to use a PO or something like that, the technical training forms are included in the first courses that do not have prerequisites. So you simply click on this form, open it up, fill in any of the pertinent information or any of the information that's needed, and then send it back to training@xmedius.com along with the PO or the credit card information. Notice that the number is not here. They will call you to get that credit card information. Your course will not be enrolled, or you will not be enrolled into your course, of course, until that is processed by our orders department, and then that process comes back to the training department. You will then get an email saying that you have enrolled in the course. If you have a coupon code, now coupon codes are used for Enterprise XpressCare and they are also used for many of our data services customers. For our data services customer, your coupon code is your invoice number, and it should be about a 10-digit number, IN, some zeros, and then a number. The Enterprise Express Care, it's the first 10 digits of your CX or XM Connect serial number. If you're going to enroll in a course like this with a coupon code, you just simply press enroll as you would with a pay course and put in the coupon code and press buy now. You will see a must complete your transaction pop up with PayPal. This is a feature or a bug of the site. You just simply press OK. Once you're finished, you will see that you are now enrolled in the course. At that point, if you go back to your account, you will see that the course is in your learning activities, and you simply press go to start the course. When you're done your session, just simply log out.